There it goes. All right, students, thank you so much for your undivided attention today and working with me. And we have something special planned today. We are going to learn about the value of coins. This is real money, okay? And that's fine if you know the value. We're just going to do some practicing, okay? We're going to do some practicing. All right? So, since you know, how much is a penny?
One.
One what?
Cent.
1 cent. Okay? How much is a nickel?
It works 5 cents. It works 5
It's not
cents.
25 and it's not 10.
It works 5 cents.
5 cents. 5 cents is a nickel. Okay? How much is a dime?
It works 10 cents.
10 cents. 10 cents. Okay? And how about a quarter?
It works 25 cents.
25 cents. Okay. Now, in each baggie, there is 100 pennies, 20 nickels, 10 dimes, and 4 quarters. Each of those adds up to 100 or $1. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. I am going to give you each a baggie of coins, and you need to start separating them. We're going to try and do it as quickly as possible. So I need you to make a pile of pennies, a pile of nickels, a pile of dimes, and a pile of quarters. What's up, Johan?
Yeah, you can spend quarters away.
Let's just dump them out. Dump them out. We got to try and be quick because we got some things to do with these coins. So make a pile of pennies.
You got a lot of them.
Yeah, there's a lot. It looks like a lot of money.
Wait, where do you get the money?
Well, it's my money. I got it out of
you anyway. I'm robbing you.
Don't rob me. You need it for what we're going to do.
Yeah.
So make your pile of pennies.
Yeah, I'm going to do it.
You're going to do it? You do it.
We're making them a stack.
Yep, stack them up.
Yeah,
Because then we're going to do something with them.
Wait. Where do you get the money anyway?
Well, honey, I got it out of my coin jar.
Wait, you have a piggy bank? Wait, you have a piggy bank.
Well, it's kind of like a piggy bank, but you know what? It's a great big pickle jar.
What?
Yeah. We eat a lot of pickles in my house.
It actually... I have one. I keep borrowing my uncle.
You have what? A piggy bank?
No, my money.
Oh, your money jar?
Money.
Oh.
I have every touch of my money. I keep borrowing my uncle. Give me money. I had to rob you. I had to rob you. Wiggling. I want to marry you. It's shifting. It's gonna fall.
This is not the same. Do you see what that is? What is this? That is a quarter. Do you see the difference?
Yeah.
Those are nickels. You're doing nickels. These are quarters. And you only have 4 of those. The big ones are quarters, and you only have 4. Okay, we've got to get them to, you know what? I just assume you not stack them because we're going to put them on a 100 chart.
I'll make another stack.
We're going to put them out on a 100 chart. So maybe just divide your silver up from your pennies.
This like Bobby's doing. Do you think it's everything?
Yeah.
It's like Bobby doing?
Yep, she's just dividing them up. And that's how I want it. Because once we divide them up, then we're going to lay them out on our chart so we can talk about the value and what it means.
My uncle has another money, so I'm robbing him again.
You're robbing him again.
Is this the same? I want it. Every year
Those are the same.
I usually know, but I never listen to him. So. Oh, no dime. What are we going to do dime next?
Here, Gabby, you want to start putting your pennies on your 100 chart? Each one is worth 1 penny. Each little box.
Oh gosh, I have a lot of them.
I know. They might overlap a little bit.
This is old dusty. Wait.
So we need 10 for each one.
Why have we spend a penny on a pizza? But you know
Well,
you can spend a quarter on a toy.
On a toy? You think you can buy a toy with a quarter?
Well, if you got 2
Maybe.
quarters. Like, if you see the front, you might see a toy. But if you said 2 quarters and 1 quarter, mean 1 quarter, you mean you had to get gum, and 2 quarters, that means you can get your toy.
Maybe. Maybe so.
I see one every day. Spend it.
Here, Nathaniel, we start putting your pennies on your chart. Every box needs a penny.
I know.
Every box. Yeah, every box needs a penny. We've got to put it on the chart so we can learn about the values.
What are you doing?
Are you ready?
For one each row.
Every box needs a penny. Move all the silver to the side.
Did I trust doing this? Miss Brandy?
What?
Doing this?
Yes. That's perfect, Johan. Perfect.
That can take like a while.
It will take us a while. That's why I wanted to get started.
Are you sure the camera's gonna do it listen?
The camera can go forever.
Wait, what did the X mean?
You're going to see what the X's mean. I'm going to show you once we get started. Brian, help me put the pennies on the chart. You're getting it, Nathaniel?
Yeah, I'm just avoiding the X's.
No, you need to put them on the X's too.
Oh.
Put them on the X's. The X's are going to mean something else.
Oh.
Okay? I've just highlighted to make things a little easier.
Yeah. I don't know what these X means. But you sure did they put marks on there?
Come on, Brian. Are you going to help me?
Huh? This one's crumbled.
Do I have a crumbly penny?
You got a wussy penny.
Strange.
You got a wussy penny.
I wasn't looking at the quality. I was just looking at the coins when I was getting them.
Ah. Wait, somebody bite on it?
I doubt it.
And you got where do you get the wussy penny?
Rusty pennies? I don't know where they come from.
Actually, sometimes when you leave a penny outside, it's not actually golden.
It turns colors, doesn't it?
Yeah,
because it's exposed to.
Yeah, when you leave it outside, it's not golden. It turns a little bit greenish.
Yeah, it's because it's made of copper. And it's
greenish color.
copper.
I'm gonna take
Come on, we've got to get busy. Let's go.
Wait, why not penny anyway? What's the face on him? Why is the face on them penny?
What? The face? Well, that's Abraham Lincoln, but we're not going to talk about the faces on the penny. We're going to talk about the value of the penny. Brian, are you going to help me? You can work on the bottom.
Yeah, these are a lot of 100 charts.
Yeah, it's a 100 chart. I have brought you 100 pennies.
I'm going to go down and up, down and up.
You can go down and up.
I think
That
that's
works.
the easiest. Yeah. Like every part is
Ooh, Brian's almost done. Brian, you keep going.
I think it won't be enough with the penny.
I think I might be the champion.
You're going to be the champion?
Yeah.
But who can win? What's this?
I said I'm going to be the champion filling out the penny.
Yo. Oh, you want to get
Done.
Done? Okay, leave it be.
Brian
Okay.
won already.
Did you have enough?
No, wait. Yeah, these are.
This one.
I'm the champion. John, look, I'm done.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a lot of pennies that I got. Now I can't even get through this.
Look, I made a big stack.
Alright. Looks good. How are we doing? Johan, how you
Do
doing?
it, I'm doing it.
I'm almost ready to move on. We've almost got it done.
Are you sure you got 100? So bye.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm completely lost.
You're lost? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hey, Joe, have you seen the movie
1,
Scrooge
2, 3,
McDuck?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4,
I have.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Actually, I can
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, you're in luck. I
Ah,
had extra.
I had these on here. Miss Brandy, look. I had these on here.
You had those? Okay, well, we're going to talk about those in just a moment. Johan, you almost finished?
Oh no.
Here we are.
Is that good?
Wonderful. It's perfect. Okay,
Well, that's over.
so in each row, how many pennies do you have in each row?
100.
You have 10, okay? And all together we have 100 because this is a hundreds chart. All right? Now we talked about this coin. What was this coin?
I have 3 pennies.
It's okay. What was this? What is this called?
It's a nickel.
It's a nickel. How many of these pennies will go into a nickel?
What?
How many pennies do we need to make a nickel? How much was a nickel? What was 5? 5, Johan. Right. So for 1 nickel, you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need 5 pennies to make a nickel. Okay, so what do I want you to do? Listen to my words.
The nickels?
Listen to my words. You have 20 nickels, okay? 20 nickels makes $1. And you're going to put your nickels on every 5th penny. Because you need 5. Nope, nope, nope. That's not how it's going to work. Okay, so you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And make sure you're using nickels, not dimes or quarters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, let's get going.
What? Which ones are they?
They're the nickels. These are the nickels. That's a quarter. That's a quarter. Come on, Johan, are you gonna help me? That's a quarter. So your nickels.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're out. Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You do the best you can. We're gonna start to see a pattern.
what's the smell? The machine. Wait, it's from the pennies. I think it's from the money.
It might be. We'll need to wash our hands when we're done. So
These
1
money
nickel.
are dirty.
You should clean the money
1 nickel equals 5 pennies.
Look, I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Keep going.
I did it, Miss Brandy.
You're missing somebody.
now. Oh
Yeah.
Miss Brandy, did I do the money right? Or should I get the X out? Miss Brandy, did I got right?
Just leave the X. The X's are for something else.
Oh, I just have to cover X.
That's no. It's fine. You can cover it. Leave it there. Leave it there.
Okay.
Wait.
What do you think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
When you
1,
stop
2,
at
3, 4,
5,
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
They go on.
They go
I need-
straight down, don't they? Keep it up. Keep going.
Good.
That's
I
wonderful.
got all nickels.
All your nickels. You sure do.
Here we go.
Hey, Johan. All right. How many pennies do we have?
100
We have 100 pennies. How many nickels do we have?
nickels.
How many nickels did we have, Brian?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
We had 20 nickels, 100 pennies, and 20 nickels. What do those make? Remember what I said at the beginning?
The dollar?
They make $1. Okay, so right now you have $2 on your board. You have $2 on your board. Are you almost done? Okay, now we're gonna move on to the dime. What's the dime? How much is the dime?
10 cents.
10 cents.
Like 10, 20, 30, 40,
Okay.
50, 60,
many nickels would go into a dime?
Like 10, I guess.
10 nickels would go into a dime?
2.
No. Look at here. You have, listen to my words. On your row here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, so it goes right here.
But how many nickels go into a dime? Nickels are worth 5.
5.
You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 pennies makes a dime. How many nickels do you have in this row? 2. So 2 nickels make a dime. It's the same thing. It's the same amount of money. Right, Johan? Okay, how many pennies make a dime?
Are the dime like 10?
10. 10 pennies make a dime.
Put these on here.
You're supposed to put them on the 10s, not the 5s. These are the 5s. You're going to put them on every 10th penny, which is going to be on top of a nickel.
Like the end of it?
Yes. You're going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Johan, where's your dimes? Go across to the 10s. Fabi, go across to the 10s.
These ones?
Yep, those are your dimes.
Won't be enough space.
Oh, you're listening.
How much will I die?
So all your dimes go on the 10th penny.
Right here?
Right here?
On the 10th penny. Yep. All the way down.
I did it.
No, you missed 2, buddy.
Yeah.
There we go.
Did you get it?
Yep, I got it all right. Now the last one
Okay.
is quarters.
So 1 dime equals how many pennies? How many pennies is 1 dime?
10
10.
cents.
10 pennies. And how many nickels? No. How many nickels? 1 dime is 10 pennies. How many nickels equals 10 pennies? How many nickels? How many nickels? No. How many nickels? 1, 2. Did we get it? So what do we have left?
Quarter.
Quarters. How many quarters do you have?
25 cents.
They are 25 cents. How many do you have altogether?
4.
4. How many is 4 quarters?
45 cents.
No. How many is 4 quarters all together?
1, 2, 3.
4 quarters. You listening to my words? How many is 4 quarters, Nathaniel?
Like 1,000.
4 quarters makes $1.
Oh, right, $1.
Right?
Got it.
Right?
Yep.
Just like 10 dimes made $1, 20 nickels made $1, and 100 pennies made $1. Remember at the beginning of our lesson, I told you I had $4 worth of coins in your bag. Okay? Oh boy. So we need 2 nickels here. Dime, penny, nickel. Where do you suppose those quarters are gonna go?
On the nickel.
Do you remember those X's on your chart? If we counted by 25s on your chart, your quarters are going to land on the X's on your chart, which now they're buried. Do you remember where the X's are?
Well, I can see purple. I can see the pink on here.
You can see the pink? Hey, put the quarters down on the pink. Wherever, like here's an X, so put it down.
Okay.
There's an X under there, so put X there. Where else was there an X?
I found 2
Was there an X under there?
X. I found one. Me too. I found all four of them.
Okay.
They gotta be.
Did we find them all?
No, I have.
That was kind of hard. All these coins on here, huh? So 10, 25, 5, 15, 25. Right there.
Yes.
Yeah, right there. We got 10, 25, 25. And then another one will go here at the end, which you've got that one.
Can I put some one right here?
One goes, so you have 10, 25, and then you got 5, 15, 25, and then 10, 25, and then one goes right there. You need one right there.
Oh, I do.
How many quarters did you have?
4.
4. How many pennies does it take to make 1 quarter?
1.
How many did we count?
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Isn't a quarter 25 cents?
Yes.
Yeah.
Last time when I didn't know what they were, I said they were 50.
Now, we cannot put 3 dimes or just 2 dimes into a quarter. We have to kind of mix it. We can do nickels. How much is a nickel?
5 cents.
5 cents. So how many nickels would it take to make a quarter? 5 times what equals 25?
5 times 5.
5 times 5.
Right?
Yeah.
Why not really?
And we're going to start running out of time. So this is a quarter. Okay. All right, I want you to look at your chart. Do you see a pattern?
Oh, I see this one, this one, this one, this one, that one.
Mm-hmm.
Another that one down. This one.
Yep.
So they're all going in the pattern.
They are going in pattern. So every 5 we have a nickel. Every 10 we have a dime. And every 25 we have a quarter. How much was a penny? 1 cent. How many pennies do you have? 100. How many pennies does it take to make $1? 100. 100, Johan. Okay. How many nickels did you have?
4.
How many did you have all together? How many nickels? You don't remember how many nickels we had?
Yeah. We
2.
had
2.
10.
We had 20 nickels.
Oh, yeah.
Because they go down on the 5s and they go down on the 10s of your 100 chart. So we had 20 nickels. But how much is a nickel worth?
Nickel. Nickel. 20.
Mm-mm. The quarter was 25.
10.
The dime is 10. Johan, how much is a nickel?
5.
5. How many pennies goes into a nickel? 5. Okay, how much was a dime?
10.
10. How many pennies goes into a dime?
25.
How many pennies goes into a dime?
1 cent.
How many pennies goes into 1 dime? How many pennies do you need to make a dime? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pennies equals 1 dime. How many nickels did we need to make a dime, Nathaniel? Look, your dime lands here. How many is in this row?
I'm like 10.
Well, you have 10 pennies, but how many nickels are in this row?
2.
2. So you needed 2 nickels to make a dime.
Yep.
Same thing. And then for a quarter, how many pennies is in a quarter?
25.
25, because it's 25 cents. Okay? And how many nickels? Do you remember, Nathaniel? You told us. Johan, what times what equals 25? 5 times 5 equals 25. So you need 5 nickels and 25 pennies to make 25 cents. Okay? I suppose we shouldn't practice making 25 cents. Okay. Do you have any questions? What's your question, Johan? When are we going to stop? We're going to have to stop now because it's 25 minutes long. Much longer than I thought it would be.
Yeah, 25
And it's almost time for recess.
We haven't done the work.
Okay, so we reviewed
I want to stop now.
the value of each coin. Again, one more time, one last time. How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. And how much is it? 25. How many nickels goes into a dime? 2 nickels. 5 and 5. Right? 5 and 5 makes 10. Okay? All right. Thank you, students, for working with me. We can clean up our coins.
I'm taking my coin home.
No, you're not taking a coin home. Put them in there.
I'm gonna make a joke.
Put them in there. Here's your bag.
Wait a minute. Can you do it? Wait,